fighting the dilemmas I've built within, hoping the certainty of crossing a path when
I stand between the roads I cannot name, afraid to choose, afraid to fail the same. My dreams are quiet, blurred by fear and doubt. So here I stay unsure which way leads out.
I see the dreams I never start, frozen by doubt within my heart. The road divides, I stand still there, unsure which choice I'm brave to bear.
Caught between the then and now, unsure of where or when or how. The path ahead asks me to try, but fears reply, just wait, don't fly.
My brother, a nameless stage, not in the end, not the beginning, just a moment of waiting, standing in the middle of myself.
Time is spinning in my chest. There is a question in my heart that does not want to scream. It should be only one step, but why each step so heavy?
Sa dinami ng bituin, di alam saan titingin. Saan kaya tutuntong, landas na di matuntong.